Hi, could you please state your name?
Yes, my name is Adum Muhammad.
And what company are you from?
I work with TIPD LLC out of Tucson, Arizona.
Okay, and tell us about your technology.
So we are working on a few different technologies, but the ones that I'm going to be talking about here are two specifically related to NAVC. The first one is about an optical emulator for doing optical cross-section. Rather than doing a radar cross-section, we do it with optical wavelengths, and we do that through projection and then looking at a monostatic system as well as a time-of-flight system. And by using the time-of-flight system and the monostatic system, we get the same information as if you get it with the RF signals. However, the benefit of our system here is that we are able to scale down from 1 to 100,000. So basically 10 to the power 5. So we take an object that is much, much bigger and we scale it down to the millimeters, to the microns, and then have it printed in with additive manufacturing, or let's say 3D printing. And then this system will be containing all of the information that you can get from the system itself. I'm not going to give specific to what kind of system, but many systems can be used for. So this is one of the technologies. The second technology is we are developing a 3-band laser. Within one system, we have 3 lasers, one operating in the visible, another one in the near IR, and one in the UV. And they're going to be used for mapping of the sea surface, as well as looking at information that in the water. This is a technology that can be used for many kind of applications. Knowing the fact that there is a near IR in there, that near IR can be a designator, or you can use it for any kind of functionalities. But for the purpose of this project, we are developing basic based on specification given to us by the TPOC, and we just need to meet the requirement of the TPOC, and whatever he's doing with it, that's his work, and we just deliver what the Navy requested us to deliver. So those are the 2 technologies that I'm working on right now.
Okay. What has been the benefit of attending this showcase?
So there are a lot of benefits to this showcase. In the past, I was working in the Navy, so I understand how those technologies work. And by coming here, you are able to really meet a lot of other people who have different knowledge and different background that you do not have. And in addition to that, you meet sponsors and other prime contractors that have already systems that are already filled it or are part of a program of record. And by you providing your technology, there might be an area where they're looking for, and then they can integrate your system within a system, so your system will be a part of a major system that could be fielded or delivered to the Navy, Marine Corps, or any DoD application, as well as the military. And again, you will find out here how much our small businesses are providing technologies that can speed up readiness and availability for the warfighter. So it's a very good thing.
Okay. And overall, the Navy STP program, what has been the biggest benefit for you?
For me here, I was able to meet prime contractors. Like yesterday, I talked to someone from General Dynamic that was impressed with one of the stuff that we are working on, and he wanted me to reach out to him. I spoke to NAVAIR. Previously, the project I'm working on came to us from NAVC, but now NAVAIR saw it, and then they saw the benefit of what we are providing it to NAVC. They would like to apply the same technology to the aircrafts rather than only the ships. So basically what you are going to figure out at the STP here is that your project is not only applied for one of the area that you are working on. You will find multiple applications to it, from DoD, DOE, as well as in the commercial sector. And this is the goal benefit out of this meeting here, and I'm really impressed with it.